How to fix Samsung Galaxy A36 music fail to play tracks error. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. In apps, scroll down and find music app and click on music app and open it storage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of your music app. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the home screen and open Play Store and search here Power Ramp. Now first of all install this Power Ramp and then manage it in your device. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.